Hi, my name's Jen. I'm going to give you a product review on these Levi's jeans I have on. So I've got some tall boots on today with just a plain slim fit black t-shirt. So these Levi's are the 311. I've owned multiple pairs in my life. I have a black pair. I had a very dark blue pair for many years and then they faded and I needed a new pair, so I just replaced them. They're called the 311 Skinny Shaper, and they really do look great on your body. So it depends on where you like the waistline to fit, but this comes right up to your belly button. So it's a true mid-waist, and they are stretchy, so they've got a little bit of give. I've got a 27 on. I'm really a true 27, and I got a 30 length for the legs. I love to still wear tall boots, even though I know the wide pants are really in fashion right now, but it's great to have a couple pairs of skinny jeans in the cupboard. And anyways, that's what they look like from behind. They come in lots of different colors. And yeah, they're definitely worth it. Bye.